Hi, I'm Bryan Naccarato, and I would like to welcome you to our company. It is our mission to provide complete company satisfaction by creating a quality work environment, exceeding industry standards, and raising the bar on customer satisfaction. We are capable of handling any and all residential and light commercial heating and cooling needs, and we offer a full line of high-quality Rheem heating and cooling equipment. Our office staff can promptly and professionally see to your needs as we strive to provide the best service possible. Our radio dispatch fleet is capable of servicing the greater Wichita area, and our technicians use the latest in technology to handle your needs. We offer an outstanding maintenance agreement that provides 2 comprehensive full system checkups each year to help ensure optimum performance. I'm Bryan Naccarato, and if we can be of service to you, or if you just want to swap hunting stories, give us a call.